check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
How's it going, guys? Electron Man. We're here with the Panasonic RX-4800, I believe it is, or RF-4800. RF-4800. Yeah, let me see if I can get this camera set a little bit better here. Anyway, man, I tell you what, the LED deal turned into quite the little project. I've got about 300 extra LEDs I don't need now. I kept ordering and coming up with not what I wanted. Anyway, well, we're ready for the reveal. Obviously, I don't have all the knobs back on everything, but I wanted to get the faceplate back on it and see what it looked like. I played with colors. The one cool thing about RGB is that, you know, in the future, if I get tired of the colors, switch a few leads around and I can have different colors. You know, I've got red, green, blue, and any mixture of those colors that you want to get, including you know, if you do it all of them lit is kind of a whitish yellow, and then of course you've got red, green, and blue, and etc. Anyway, I can ramble on about that, but every single, I probably should let you guys go on that journey with me, but I tried every color. I tried whites, I tried bright whites, tried switching, not switching. And this is what I came up with. I guarantee you this is the first, well, I can't say I guarantee you, but I have a feeling this is the first of this reiteration of what I've done. You ready? Drum roll. There you go, guys. I decided on green as my base color, and then blue as my active color. As you will see here, here, let me turn on the digital display too, so you have it all. But there's what she looks like. Let me actually turn some light off here. I don't know how good you can see that in the camera. It sure stands out in here, even with all the lights on. But there you go. There's with the lights off. What I've done here now, like I said, between active and non-active, is if right now I am on the shortwave side because blue's always going to be active, and then green's my base color. So if I go to FM, which is I switched to this dial, isn't that cool? Is that not cool? So now this is the active dial. It just goes by the display. See how it switches? So you know, blue's active, green is idle. I figured I'd make the meter the same color as the display. I did make it. I made it green. I'm debating. I could go back and make that white, but then I think I like it with green, and it stands out good, and I can see it. So for now, like I said, the RGB I can make them any color I want them. But for right now, that's the scheme I like. I think it looks super cool. I want to go back to shortwave. There's shortwave there. All functions still work. I can obviously turn the display off. I can turn the master lights off. Say you're wanting to listen tonight, or if you're running on batteries, you want to save energy, you know, you turn all the lights off, and that definitely would conserve. Of course, those LEDs don't burn a whole lot of power anyway, but I'm sure that frequency counter probably does. But anyway, it's cool that the radio gives you the ability to turn all the lights off. I can even just turn the frequency counter on, or I can have it with lights and frequency counter. And obviously, like I said, if you go from we're in shortwave mode right now, we're going to go to FM and AM mode. Boom, there's FM AM mode. I'm pretty proud of that. I like I said, I think it's the first of them. Took a little work. I got a little bit of cleaning up to do on wires, not real bad. It wasn't very intrusive at all on the radio. It worked out good. And like I said, I've always got the option to, I really wanted to do red because of the red display, but it did not look right. It kept coming across too pinkish to me. That and it would wash it out. You couldn't see anything with this. With the way I've got it now, the needle's real easy to see, especially in the blue. The green's just pleasing to the eye, but the active channel, the blue, to me, that I could see the dial and it's as clear as a bell. Go back to shortwave. As you can see the indicator real well. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this thing all screwed back together, and then we'll do the finalized tuning, make sure everything's working correctly, and then from there we'll probably do a surfing. So far so good, guys. Anyway, I wanted to give you an update. We have finalized the RGB conversion, so I think this is like part 5, but this is the RGB conversion LED has been done. Anyway, guys, have a great day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please, if you haven't, subscribe.